Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google AdWords structured snippet extensions. Hi, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. This video is all about how to set up and create your Google AdWords structured snippet extensions. So let's get started. You go to your extensions tab, click the plus sign, select structured snippet extension, and then as you've seen with other extensions, you can set up at account, campaign, or ad group level. I'm going to set up an account level, and you will then have the option to choose your language. English is fine, and then the select header type. So if you're not sure what this is, if you hover the mouse, then it will say select a header that best reflects a category, feature, service, or product for your business. So my business is service type business, so I can select a service catalog. But if any of these header or categories apply to your business, then by all means go ahead and pick one of these. So, and there's some more at the bottom. So type, styles. So if you've got a clothing business, you can select the styles. I'm going to select the service, and it has got some default values for a car garage where they offer oil change, smoke check, tire alignment, and so on. So it gives you an idea as to what you ought to be putting in there. So again, you go back to your website and see the navigation. So I can have Google AdWords, video marketing, and so on as each one of my service in here. So each value would be 1. So Google AdWords. Now each value has got a maximum character limit of 25, but it's not a good idea to use all of them, because as you can see in the preview, the longer this value becomes, the more space is going to take, and the other one is not going to show up. So right now I can pretty much see up to 3 service catalog on the mobile. On the desktop, obviously we've got a lot more width, but let's have a look at the mobile. If I were to put in a bit more text over here, you can see that the others are being shoved to the right and they're not being shown. So I would recommend just have maybe 1 or 2 word values, and that's about it. So you can have up to a maximum of 10 values in here. So then we can do video marketing, video production, email marketing. So it's very simple and easy and quick, and you ought to be using this because these extensions, whether you are using call out, call, location, structured snippets, they all make your ads a bit bigger, and it helps improve your ad rank, so your ads show a lot higher compared to your competitors. So once I've added all of those in here, I can save it. But under the advanced options, again, you've got the device preference, which I'm not going to use, and also the scheduling, which again I'm not going to use. And all I do is save, and there you see over here the structure, the service catalog is there and it's under review, and once it gets approved, then potentially it can start being shown on my ads. So this is how easy and quick it is to set up a Google AdWords structured snippet extension. It improves your ad rank, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be using this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe as you'll be one of the first ones to get notified when I upload other similar videos like this one. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.